Hey y'all, it's William here at Highsmith Automotive. Today we are actually doing a transmission fluid exchange on a Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. And so I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the things that we go through that we do when we do one of these. So I've got Travis here with us today again, and we are doing a BG transmission fluid exchange on this. So he's been getting the machine all set up. He's got it hooked up to our vehicle here that we're working on, that we're going to be servicing. And so what we'll start off with is we will be running the quick clean through the transmission, which will get everything all cleaned up and good to go. And then we will be actually flushing and exchanging that fluid as the vehicle is running with it, going through the different gears and things like that. Once we get all that fluid exchanged through it, we'll be adding the ATC Plus, which is a transmission fluid conditioner, and that will be going in there afterwards. So I'm gonna stop this here, and we're gonna get this truck going through the fluid exchange, and then we will take a look at what the fluid looks like afterwards. And as you can see, we've got some pretty dark transmission fluid that we have in this thing right now. So Travis is gonna be setting up the machine. So he's gonna be putting in how many quarts of fluid we're gonna run through it, and he's going to be adding in the quick clean to the machine. We've already got the truck over here running, warming up, and you can see the fluid is flowing through. And so this is what that transmission fluid looks like right now that is in the vehicle itself. That is pretty dark, and that's not engine oil, that's transmission fluid right there. So this thing is definitely overdue for service. So we're going to pause this, and what we're going to do after we get this set up, we're going to get it running through, and then we will actually take a look to see what that fluid looks like as we are going through the fluid exchange, and what it's going to look like afterwards. So right now he's got the machine pumping in our quick clean into the transmission, and we're going to get that running. That's going to take about another 15 to 20 minutes of this running, and then we'll be able to take a look from there. All right, we have ran through the process of letting the flush chemical run through the transmission while shifting through all the gears. So now it is in the process of actually pumping new fluid in and taking the old fluid out. So doing a one-for-one exchange. That way we don't mess with the levels on the transmission, and we get all of the fluid out of this transmission. When you just drain the pan and drop the filter out of it, all you do is you get about the 5 or 6 quarts that are in the pan. Well, these transmissions actually hold 14 quarts of transmission fluid. So you can already see that that transmission fluid is actually starting to lighten up and look more of a red color. We've got about halfway through the flush right now, and we'll continue watching this here, and we will see what it's going to look like once every bit of that fluid has been exchanged from this vehicle. All right, we have finished the entire fluid exchange of it, and now we're going to be adding the conditioner into it. But I want you to take a look at this fluid, at how nice and red that is. That's what our transmission fluid should look like, not dark like almost a diesel engine oil. So this is going to definitely and drastically help this transmission out. So now we're going to add that conditioner in it. And this thing, we will get it all unhooked, and we will have this vehicle back up and rolling. Guys, if you have a transmission that you would like to have serviced, or that you need to have serviced, or you think it might need it, give us a call, 940-521-0294, or come by and see us. We're at 1210 380 Bypass here in Graham, Texas, and we can take a look at your transmission fluid, get a fluid sample of it, and let you know what it looks like, to let you know whether or not your vehicle might need this. Thank you guys. Have a great day.